friends, welcome to Ronnie's Styles. How are you? Do you want to harvest like this brinjal? Do you want to harvest more yield from the plants? Don't skip the video till end you watch it. It is very useful for beginners and gardeners. Some people don't know how to prepare mean amila or fruits amila or fruit juice. You watch my previous videos, you can get some ideas. Your garden become also healthy garden. When we add this fertilizer, in the soil became fertile, many useful microorganisms formed. The plant will grow in healthy manner. No plant disease will not attack that plants. We can get more yield from the plants. I took some damaged guava, then papaya peel and banana peel. Equal amount of this fruit waste I added janggery. Then mixed well and cover it in, keep in under the shady place. Weekly twice again open and stir it, keep in under the shady place. After the second month, I got this miracle fertilizer. You should use in this way. You can get more yield from the garden, from the plant. Very good, nutritious fertilizer for plants. Within second day, I saw very good result in the garden. See, this plant now look so dull. After giving this fertilizer, see my brinjal plants, pumpkin become big size, cucumber become big size. I harvested many brinjal, the rose beautiful flowers blooming. So beautiful my garden become. So I tell you, don't throw the fruit waste. Do like this. Give this fertilizer for the plants. You can get good result. Thank you. God bless you.